Hello, all of you. So let's quickly understand how to become an IAI member once you have cleared your ACET examination. So you can just type IAI over here and you can go to the IAI homepage. Then click on Become an Actuary, click on this ACET. Once you are here, it will again take you to, if you want to see the entire process in a PDF, they have this particular PDF over here. So in this Become an Actuary ACET and just scroll down, you get these links over here. Um, Now you need to clear ACET examination in order to be, which is an actual common entrance test in order to become an IAI member and to appear for the other actuarial papers. ACET is a 100 marks MCQ based examination which includes English, logical reasoning, data interpretation, mathematics, and statistics. These five topics, once you clear it, then you can apply for the membership. Now, the ACET, if once you clear ACET, it's valid for 3 years. So within the 3 years, you have to take the membership, right? Now, what are the documents that you will be needing? So you will be needing your passport, PAN card, Aadhaar card. If you have any passport, then you can take your passport or PAN card and Aadhaar card. Birth certificate will also do. 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet is mandatory. That's it. These are the documents that you will be needing. The admission fees or the membership fees that you have to pay is 4,000. Now, this includes the annual renewal membership that we have to pay to IAI. Once you have done and filled everything, within 7 days, they will give you the membership. Now, I'll guide you quickly how to do same. Click on the student membership form. In this, you have your ACET ID. So you will be having this ID once you appeared for your ACET examination. You might have it in your email as well, or those who remember, great. Just put it down over here. Put your date of birth. Click on generate OTP. You have to put down your OTP here. You have to complete this and click on login with OTP. Once you log in, it will take you to the place where you had already filled in all the necessities while you were registering for your ACET examination. Just make sure that everything is in place. You can they will ask you to put in your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet. You already have put your passport size photograph. You don't have to put it again. Aadhaar card, PAN card, again, you can just put it down, check your details, address, phone number, email ID, everything, just verify. Once everything is done, step by step, it will ask you to put your 10th and 12th mark sheet. Then it will also, while uploading your mark sheets, make sure first you upload your 10th mark sheet and then you upload your 12th mark sheet. If that's not taking, then maybe you have to upload your 12th and then the 10th mark sheet. Communication details, which is your address, permanent address, your phone number, email ID, your passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, PAN card, everything should be in place. Once you see that everything is in place, you can click on the payment button. It will take you to the payment gateway. You can make payment through UPI or any of credit card, debit cards, whatever you have. And then the payment that you have to make is of 4,000. Once you make the payment, you will get a payment confirmation in your email. And then within 7 days, they will verify your documents and give you the IAI membership. IAI membership, basically, they will give you one IAI number, member number that we say, and password is something which you can definitely reset. So it's a very easy process. It's like it will not take you more than 20 minutes to do it since you have to fill documents. But yes, not more than 20 minutes. For the 10th and 12th mark sheet, you will have to, put in your marks individually. So make sure you have all your documents ready with you before you start, with the process. So yes, congratulations on clearing ACET. Now IAI is conducting examinations of CMCS and CV papers 4 times in a year, which is in February, May, August, and November. So it's a very great time, to appear for these papers. These papers have become MCQ, and it's a home-based examination, live proctoring, like you have done in ACET. Good time, good opportunity. You have to clear as many papers as you can in given here, right? If you have any questions, you can put down in the chat box, and we'll be answering the same. And if it requires one more video, then we'll be definitely making one more video on the same. Thank you so much.